Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So this is Teacher Adam and this is another new lesson. So today, dear students, we're going to do some reading, inshallah, very short reading. So get ready, be prepared. Let's get started. Or let's get reading. Let's start to read. And أرضنا وحنكر أرضنا شرفت بدنا مع الآدن كسر هذا وعشر كمان تندقنا نحاول reading. We're going to do some reading. So let's get prepared. Let's get ready. I hope all of you are ready for it. Let's begin it. Reading. The title, are the students in my English class. The students in my English class. The students in my English class. The students, student وأرضي. The students أرضيدا in my English class. فصل كيغا ديغتا أرضيدا ديغتا فصل كيغا أرضيدا نسكو فصل كان هايوي. The students in my English class. The students in my English class are very interesting. Henry is Chinese. He's from Shanghai. Linda is Puerto Rican. She's from San Juan. Mr. and Mrs. Kim are Korean. They are from Seoul. George is Greek. He's from Athens. Carla is Italian. She's from Rome. Mr. and Mrs. Sato are Japanese. They are from Tokyo. My friend Maria and I are Mexican. We are from Mexico City. Yes, the students in my English class are very interesting. We're from many different countries and we are friends. So let me do the reading again. The students in my English class are very interesting. They're very interesting. أردنا فصل كي دقيقة واردي آد وحساب بدن. Henry is Chinese. Henry ونيش شينا ودن كشينو كسو كذا. He's from Shanghai. مقالة كسو كذا Shanghai. Linda is Puerto Rican. Linda ودن كا Puerto Rico أيو دلتي. She's from San Juan. مقالة بيكا كسو كذا. أو كتالا ودن كتالا. Mr. and Mrs. Kim are Korean. مركا لودن and Gordon, Mrs. Kim iyo ninka Mr. Kim are Korean. Waa Korean. They are from Seoul. magaalada Seoul la yiraahdo ay kasoo jeedaan. George is Greek. George waa nin wadanka Greega kasoo jeeda. He's from Athens. magaalada uu kasoo jeeda magaalada Greega ay ku taala. Carla is Italian. Carla waa gabadh Talyaaniyada. She's from Rome. magaalada Rome ay kasoo jeeda. Mr. and Mrs. Sato are Japanese. And Gordon, Mrs. Sato iyo Mr. Sato waxa weeye waa Japanese. wadanka Japan bay kasoo jeedaan. They are from Tokyo. magaalada Japan bay ku taala. Tokyo ay kasoo jeedaan. My friend Maria and I are Mexican. aniga iyo saaxiibaday bay tiri Maria waxaan nahay Mexican. We're from Mexico City. waxaan kasoo jeednaa magaalada la yiraahdo Mexico City. Yes, the students in my English class are very interesting. ardayda fasalkayga aad bay u xiiso badan yihiin. We are from many different countries. wadamo fara badan ayaanu kasoo kala jeednaa. And we are friends. waxaanu nahay asxaab nahay. The students in my English class. The students in my English class are very interesting. Henry is Chinese. He's from Shanghai. Linda is Puerto Rican. She's from San Juan. Mr. and Mrs. Kim are Korean. They're from Seoul. marka la Mr. and Mrs. Kim waa nin iyo xaaskiisa. Mr. marka isku magac way gaalada waxay isticmaalaan gabadha waxa lagu abtirinayaa waxay qaadanaysaa magac xaajigeeda ama wadaadkeeda magaciisa ay qaadanaysaa. marka isaga Mr. Kim la yiraahdo iyadana magaciisa la siiyay. Mr. and Mrs. Kim are Korean. The students in my English class are very interesting. Henry is Chinese. He's from Shanghai. Linda is Puerto Rican. She's from San Juan. Mr. and Mrs. Kim are Korean. They are from Seoul. George is Greek. He's from Athens. Carla is Italian. She's from Rome. Mr. and Mrs. Sato are Japanese. They're from Tokyo. My friend Maria and I are Mexican. We're from Mexico City. Yes, the students in my English class are very interesting. We're from many different countries and we are friends. So dear students, this small story was very interesting. The student or the author, the one who wrote this, he stated the names of all his friends and where they come from, the country they are from, and the city in that country where they are from. So please, a question that I'm going to ask you is, please write in the comment section which country or what country are you from, and what city or town are you from. For example, you can say, for example, this student, this student is saying that one of his friends is called Carla. Carla is a friend and a classmate of his. So Carla is Italian, he said. Italian comes from Italia. Italia is a country. She's from Rome, and Rome is a city in Italia, or in Italy. Actually, the country is called Italy. So Italy is a country, and the person is Italian. So she's from Italy, and she's Italian. They're from Mexico, and they are Mexican. They're from Korea, and they're Korean. She's from Puerto Rico, and she's Puerto Rican. He is from China, and he is Chinese. So things like that. So what I want you to do, dear student, is write in the comment section of the YouTube channel, write your name. You say my name is, let's say, Muhammad, and then you state the country that you are from, and also state the town that you're from. You can say, I am Muhammad, I'm from this country, and then you mention the city that you're also from. That will be very good for you to do. Please do it. It will help you in your practice. And dear students, I'm very grateful that you've listened and watched the video. I say thank you very much. Please share the video with others, friends and family, and whoever out there who is interested in learning English. And with that, I leave you with Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh till next time. Bye bye, dear students.